aid must still be given, but I think they should have some strings attached to it. Simple things like, respecting human rights, and
Yes.
open political space. Remember that my mother is just a normal, ordinary citizen, well, just like us, but we too can pick up the fight and bring change.
People, please educate yourselves, spread the word, and advocate for change, and try to make impact with policymakers wherever you are, especially in countries giving aid to the Rwandan regime under Paul Kagame. She's an political activist fighting for change, fighting for democracy in Rwanda, and I believe all Rwandans should stand behind her. Despite their background, despite their political beliefs, your mother remains a symbol of democracy in Rwanda. If you believe in democracy, human dignity, rule of law, now is not the time to look away. Stand in solidarity with those who cannot speak freely. Let us all stand with Victoire Ingabire and all other political prisoners in Rwanda.